Hey guys, come along with me while we watch this $35 million house. Here's some of the views on the way there. Not bad. Get her all opened up. Gotta bring the supply hose to the house to get some water in the trailer. Turn my flush valve on to let chemical flow through my soft wash system. Pull out my pressure hose. Basically just getting everything ready. Fire up the machine. Pre-wet all vegetation. Anywhere that you're going to spray chemicals, pre-wet. You can see that mold is pretty nasty. Pre-wet everything. Alright, now apply some chemical. Pre-treat. Pre-treat. Gotta pre-treat. Or even post-treat. But you gotta treat. You won't leave stripes and it'll kill everything. Won't come back faster. And it actually comes off easier if you pre-treat. Start blasting away some curbs. This was kind of satisfying. Put a chemical treatment on these organic stains. Alright. Time to hit the driveway with the surface cleaner. As you can see, it's just washing away. Alright, let's go check the backyard out. Wow. Look at those views. Sweet. That's what 35 million gets you on Palm Beach Island. Alright, pre-treat this area. This little side patio was on the work order. I need some more hose to reach the back. I had to replace a hose fitting. Little feeding frenzy in the backyard. These are called Jack Crevalle. Look like they're eating either some glass minnows or some greenies. Alright, so this back area concrete is only about 3 years old. And somebody had been there before me. I've been doing this place for probably 2 years. Somebody went there before me and kind of etched some of it when it was new. So I turned my ball valve my ball valve down whenever I washed it. Little water break while I fuel up. Then I also did circular motions just in case. So I had my machine turned down and did circular motions so I don't etch or leave stripes in the newer concrete. Hit the curves. I didn't use any chemical back here because all these scuppers just lead right into the ocean water. And we're right by the inlet here, so it goes straight out to the ocean. Alright, surface clean this little patio. And yes, I did get under the grill. I moved it. I hit all these little pavers that lead up to the side patio. Pre-treated them too. Quick little walk around just to make sure I didn't forget anything or miss anything. I don't like going back to jobs. Looks like we're good. Packing up, closing down. Last time I did the house, they let me wash the exterior completely. This time I only did a couple spots. I didn't get those on video, but anything but these little pony walls out front, which came out clean. Alright, till next time.